This video explores Payhip versus Gumroad, two popular platforms for selling digital products. Choosing the right platform can boost your sales and simplify management without the hassle of complicated setups. Both offer unique features for creators. Payhip and Gumroad both enable creators to sell digital products online, but their core difference lies in pricing and customization. Payhip offers straightforward pricing with built-in marketing tools, while Gumroad focuses on ease of use and flexible payment options. Payhip is an e-commerce platform designed specifically for selling digital downloads, subscriptions, and memberships. It works by allowing creators to upload their products and set prices with integrated tools for marketing such as discount codes and affiliate programs. Payhip charges a flat 5% transaction fee on sales, making it predictable for sellers. Its strengths include easy setup, direct payouts, and comprehensive sales analytics. However, Payhip's customization options for storefronts are somewhat limited compared to other platforms. It's ideal for creators who want a simple, transparent pricing model and built-in promotional features without needing advanced customization. Sellers with smaller catalogs or those just starting out will find Payhip straightforward and efficient for turning digital content into revenue. According to Payhip's official site, its user-friendly dashboard and marketing integrations make it a solid choice for independent creators. Gumroad is a versatile platform that enables creators to sell digital products, memberships, and physical goods with minimal setup. It operates by providing a customizable storefront and supports multiple payment methods including credit cards and PayPal. Gumroad uses a tiered fee structure, 5% plus 30 cents per transaction for free accounts, with options to reduce fees via paid plans. Its strengths include a highly intuitive interface, strong community features, and flexible pricing options such as pay what you want. Limitations include higher fees for free users and fewer built-in marketing tools compared to Payhip. Gumroad suits creators looking for simplicity combined with flexibility in pricing and payments, especially those with diverse product types or who want to engage directly with their audience. The platform's official documentation highlights its ease of use and robust analytics, making it popular among artists, writers, and educators. Comparing Payhip and Gumroad reveals clear trade-offs. Payhip's flat 5% fee and built-in marketing tools make it cost-effective for creators focused on digital goods and promotions. It excels in straightforward pricing and affiliate support, but offers limited storefront customization. Gumroad provides greater flexibility with pricing models and payment options, ideal for creators selling a mix of digital and physical products. However, free accounts face high fees and marketing features are less integrated. For example, a writer selling ebooks and memberships might prefer Gumroad for its pay-what-you-want pricing, while a designer offering digital downloads with discount codes benefits from Payhip's marketing tools. Both platforms offer easy setup and direct payouts, but your choice depends on whether you prioritize cost predictability and marketing or flexible pricing and payment methods. Choose Payhip if you want transparent fees, built-in marketing tools, and a simple platform focused on digital products with straightforward promotion options. Opt for Gumroad if flexible pricing, diverse payment methods, and a customizable storefront are your priorities, especially if you sell both digital and physical products. Both platforms serve creators well, so select the one that best fits your product range and business goals.